how to use the Discord for the gaming tips for the finding friends, setting up the servers and the many more. Hey guys, in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you that how you can do all of these easily. So the steps are really easy and simple. So now let's get started. So first of all you have to open up your Discord application. So now once you are in here you have to create your account. For that you have to add up your user profile and you have to sign up and create your Discord account. You have to choose a unique username and the avatar as you want, and from there you have to find your friends. You can import from the contacts and from your email or the any other social media platforms to find your friends that are already on the Discord. And after that you have to join the server. For that what you have to do is, here is the many server in your profile info. You just have to click on it and you are able to add this server as you want. You just have to click on the create a server, and after that you are able to get the customized voice channels for the specific topics or the games as you want. And after that you just have to give the Discord for the roles and permissions, and you have to engage in the communities. You have to active in your participation. You have to select the any of the voice channel to communicate with your friends while gaming. You can create temporary voice channel for the specific games, and you can also integrate by the bots and the apps. And if you want to adjust your privacy settings to control that who can send your friend request messages and the many more, for that you have to simply go in your profile and you have to choose your user profile. Now from here you have to go on the privacy and the safety, and from here you can select all of these image filters and the deep DM spam filter and all of these options. And that's how you can use the Discord for the gaming tips and finding friends and setting up your servers. So if this video helped you out, make sure to like and subscribe the channel, and see you in the next video.